Have you ever lost yourself in the joy of a hobby? That passion holds more potential than you might imagine. What if your love for photography, crafting, or baking could become a source of income? Countless individuals have transformed their passions into thriving businesses. The digital age provides platforms and tools to share your creations and expertise with a global audience. Whether selling handmade jewelry or teaching online cooking classes, the path to monetizing your hobby is more accessible than ever. This guide will lead you through the steps to turn your passion into profit. Are you ready to turn your hobby into something more? Let's dive in. The internet is full of inspiring stories of businesses. From a stay-at-home mom selling handmade scarves to a college student freelancing in photography, success stories abound. Online gaming, food blogging, and more. These examples show that success isn't limited by age, background, or location. What matters is your passion. Stories highlight the power of pursuing your passions and turning creative. Remember, if they can do it, so can you. Turning your hobby into income is an exciting journey filled with creativity and learning. This guide provides a clear roadmap, breaking down the process into manageable steps. We'll explore foundational elements like identifying your niche and understanding your target audience. Learn to create high-quality content that showcases your expertise. Discover various avenues for monetizing your passion, from selling products to offering services. Let's uncover the strategies that align with your unique skills and interests. The journey to monetizing your hobby begins with understanding your passions and skills. Identify what excites you and where your skills excel. Your unique expertise will set you apart in a crowded online world. Embrace your individuality and let your passion shine through. Authenticity is key to building a loyal following. Reflect on your skills and passions to uncover your unique expertise. Passion meets profitability by identifying a viable niche. Ensure your chosen niche has the potential for profitability. Conduct thorough market research to find where your passions align with market and social media to gauge interest. Targeting a specific audience can be more effective than appealing to everyone. Be prepared to adjust your focus as you gather more information. Narrowing your focus involves defining your target audience. Who are the individuals most likely to be interested in your creations? Consider factors like age, gender, location, and interests. Understand their motivations, aspirations, and pain points. Create detailed buyer personas to guide your marketing efforts. The better you understand your audience, the better you can create products they'll love. Crafting content that captivates and converts is crucial. Define your brand's voice and tone to establish a recognizable identity. Create content that resonates with your target audience. Provide value through education, entertainment, or inspiration. Consistently deliver high-quality, engaging content. Establish yourself as a trusted authority in your niche. Choose the right content formats to showcase your expertise. Blogging, video content, social media, and podcasts each have unique strengths. Experiment with different formats to see what resonates best with your audience. Repurpose content across multiple platforms for maximum reach. Choose formats you enjoy creating and that authentically showcase your passion. The key is to connect with your audience in a way that feels natural to you. Quality content stands out in the crowded digital landscape. Invest in good equipment and learn basic photography and videography techniques. Ensure audio quality is clear and free from distractions. Structure your content for clarity and engagement. Showcase your personality and let your passion shine through. The more you create, the better your content will become. Social media is essential for growing your hobby-based business. Understand the unique culture and algorithms of each platform. Consistency is key. Establish a regular posting schedule. Engage with your audience and get creative with your content. Use relevant hashtags and consider running targeted ads. Build relationships and foster a sense of community to amplify your reach. From passion to profit, exploring your monetization options. Transform your creative endeavors into a sustainable source of income. There are more ways than ever to turn your hobby into a profitable venture. Sell handmade jewelry, artwork, or home decor items. Create and sell online courses, workshops, or ebooks. Affiliate marketing and sponsorships offer lucrative opportunities. Offer one-on-one consultations or personalized creative experiences. Transform your hobby into a thriving business that brings joy and financial freedom. Setting up shop. Creating and selling your own products. For many hobbyists, the dream of creating and selling their own products is a powerful motivator. There's something incredibly satisfying about seeing your creations out in the world. The digital age has made it easier than ever to set up shop and share your unique offerings. Online marketplaces like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and Creative Market provide user-friendly platforms. These platforms offer a built-in audience and marketing tools to help you reach a wider audience. Creating your own e-commerce website is a fantastic option for more control over your brand. Platforms like Shopify, Squarespace, and Wix make it easy to launch a professional-looking online store. High-quality product photography is essential for attracting customers and driving sales. Invest in good lighting and a camera or smartphone with excellent image quality. Showcase your products from multiple angles and write clear product descriptions. Share the inspiration behind your creations and the meticulous craftsmanship involved. Infuse your products with your personal touch and passion to create a brand that resonates with customers. Sharing your knowledge, generating income through online courses and workshops. If you have a passion for teaching and a knack for explaining complex concepts in a clear and engaging way, creating and selling online courses or workshops could be your ticket to monetizing your hobby. In today's knowledge-based economy, there's a huge demand for online learning opportunities, and sharing your expertise can be incredibly rewarding both personally and financially. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable offer user-friendly interfaces for creating, hosting, and selling online courses to a global audience. These platforms handle payment processing, provide marketing tools to help you reach potential students, and even offer analytics to track your course's performance. When developing your online course, think about the specific skills or knowledge you can offer that would be valuable to your target audience. Structure your course in a logical and engaging way, breaking down complex concepts into bite-sized lessons that are easy to digest. Incorporate a variety of media, such as video lectures, downloadable worksheets, quizzes, and interactive exercises to keep students engaged and enhance their learning experience. Don't underestimate the power of community in online learning. Create a dedicated Facebook group or online forum where students can connect with each other, ask questions, share their progress, and receive support from you and their peers. Building a thriving community around your course will not only enhance the learning experience for your students, but also foster a sense of loyalty and word-of-mouth marketing that can significantly boost your course enrollment. Section 4. Partnering for success. Leveraging affiliate marketing and sponsorships. Affiliate marketing and sponsorships offer fantastic opportunities to monetize your hobby by partnering with brands. These revenue streams can be lucrative if you've built a loyal following. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products and earning a commission on sales. Numerous affiliate networks connect content creators with brands. Choose affiliate products that align with your niche and values. Authenticity is key in affiliate marketing. Your audience needs to trust your recommendations. Sponsorships involve paid collaborations like sponsored posts or videos. Create content that showcases the brand while staying true to your voice. Transparency is crucial. Disclose paid partnerships using hashtags like #sponsored. Prioritize partnerships that feel authentic and add value to your content. Diversifying your income streams. Building a sustainable business model. Diversify your income streams for a stable and sustainable revenue model. Relying on a single source makes your business vulnerable to market changes. Multiple income streams provide a safety net and allow experimentation. Combine product sales with online courses for complementary revenue. Use affiliate marketing and sponsorships that align with your brand. Diversifying income streams creates a resilient and sustainable business model. Section 1. The Evolution of Passion, Embracing Growth and Adaptation. Congratulations! You've successfully transformed your hobby into a thriving source of income. You've found your niche, built a loyal audience, and established a revenue stream that allows you to pursue your passion while earning a living. But the journey doesn't end there. In the ever-evolving digital landscape, continuous development is essential for long-term success. Just as our passions evolve and mature over time, so too must our businesses adapt to the changing tides of trends, technology, and consumer behavior. What resonates with your audience today might not hold the same appeal tomorrow. New platforms emerge, algorithms shift, and what was once considered innovative can quickly become commonplace. Embracing change doesn't mean abandoning your core values or the essence of what makes your brand unique. Instead, it's about finding ways to infuse your passion with fresh perspectives, explore new creative avenues, and adapt your strategies to stay ahead of the curve. Think of it as adding new chapters to your story while remaining true to the heart of your narrative. Remember, the online world is dynamic and ever-changing. What sets successful hobby-based businesses apart is their ability to embrace this fluidity, to adapt and evolve while remaining true to their core values. It's about finding that delicate balance between staying true to your roots and branching out to explore new horizons. In the fast-paced world of online business, complacency can be a recipe for stagnation. To stay ahead of the curve and maintain a competitive edge, it's crucial to adopt a mindset of continuous learning, experimentation, and refinement. Make time for professional development, even amidst the demands of running your business. Carve out space in your schedule to attend online workshops, enroll in relevant courses, read industry blogs and publications, and participate in online communities where you can connect with fellow creators and learn from their experiences. Don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone and experiment with new techniques, tools, or platforms. The digital landscape is a playground of innovation, and you never know what creative spark might ignite from trying something new. View every challenge as an opportunity for growth and learning. Embrace feedback from your audience, both positive and constructive, as valuable insights that can help you refine your craft and better serve your customers. Analyze your successes and failures, identifying patterns and trends that can inform your future strategies. Remember, the pursuit of mastery is an ongoing journey, not a destination. By fostering a mindset of continuous learning and improvement, you'll ensure that your hobby-based business remains fresh, relevant, and positioned for long-term success. Section 3. Nurturing your community, building lasting connections for continued success. In the digital age, genuine human connection is powerful. Building a thriving community fosters loyalty and growth. Behind every purchase and comment is a real person. Connect personally, fostering shared passion and belonging. Respond thoughtfully and promptly to show you value engagement. Host Quanda sessions, live streams, or online workshops. Create dedicated spaces for loyal followers to connect. Foster a tribe of passionate individuals invested in your success. Section 1. The journey awaits, your passion, your path. As we reach the end of this roadmap to monetizing your passion, remember this: the path from hobbyist to entrepreneur is rarely linear. There will be detours, roadblocks, and moments of uncertainty along the way. But within those challenges lie opportunities for growth, innovation, and the immense satisfaction of building something truly meaningful. The beauty of pursuing a hobby-based business is that you're driven by something deeper than just profit. It's the love of your craft, the joy of creation, and the desire to share your unique talents with the world that will fuel your journey and guide you through the inevitable ups and downs of entrepreneurship. Don't be afraid to experiment, to make mistakes, and to learn from every experience. Embrace the unknown with a spirit of adventure, knowing that each step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to realizing your full potential. Section 2. From hobbyist to entrepreneur. Embracing the transformation. The journey from hobbyist to entrepreneur is as much about personal growth as it is about business strategy. It's about stepping outside your comfort zone, embracing new challenges, and developing the skills and mindset needed to turn your passion into a sustainable source of income. It's about believing in yourself and your ability to create something of value. It's about taking risks, learning from failures, and celebrating every milestone along the way. It's about building something you're proud of, something that reflects your unique talents and brings joy to both you and your audience. Remember, you don't need to have all the answers or a perfectly crafted business plan to get started. The most important step is simply taking that first leap of faith, trusting your instincts, and embracing the transformative journey that awaits. Section 3. Your time to shine. Start building your dream today. The world is brimming with possibilities for those who dare to pursue their passions. The tools, resources, and platforms are at your fingertips. What's stopping you from turning your hobby into something more? Don't let fear, self-doubt, or the perceived limitations of time or resources hold you back. Start small, take one step at a time, and remember that even the most successful businesses began with a single idea and the courage to pursue it. This is your time to shine. Your time to share your unique gifts with the world. Your time to transform your passion into a fulfilling and profitable endeavor. The journey awaits. Take the first step today and never stop exploring the limitless possibilities that lie ahead.